Hello, welcome back, friend. Today we're going to look this home tab and we're going to look the clipboard ribbon. So if you don't understand the word tabs, ribbon and worksheet, please look the first video. Watch the first video, you will understand about this Microsoft Excel. So before moving on, please support me by clicking subscribe button and turn notification bell and also you don't miss any coming videos. So let's check this clipboard here. In the clipboard we have 4 items here. You say there's a cut, copy, format, painter, and also there is a paste. So let's start here. You see the copy and cut, all of them used together with paste. So what they mean? Let's start this copy. The word copy, it means that you take the item from one position to another position. Also in those two positions they appear together. As you see here, like say this times, I want this time to move into another position, also to remain in the previous position. Click the cell. After activate the cell, the name will change here into your name, into the name that you select. After that, click the word copy. After click the copy, move into a destination point. After that, click the word paste here. You see, in the previous position and the final position, the word appear or item appear in those two positions. So also there is a command you can use. Simply click Ctrl C and the paste Ctrl V. For copy, Ctrl C and the paste Ctrl V. Example here, 14, I wanted to copy it. Simply I can click Ctrl C. After that, into my final destination, click Ctrl V. You see, this is the use of copy and paste. The second one is the cut. What the meaning of cut? Cut, it means that you take item from one position to another position, but it will not appear into the first position. Example here, if I wanted to remove this D here into another position and not appear here, simply I can click the cell. After activate the cell, we'll give in the name of the cell. After that, click the word cut. After that, move into a final position here, like here, and then click paste. You see, here D is not here, but it is here in the final position. Also, you can use the same things by using the command. Simply, I wanted to remove this 88, say, simple click Ctrl X, and then move into a final position, then Ctrl V. See, 88 hits moved here into this position. So this is the use of copy, cut, and paste together. So the last one here, you see, it is called the format pointer. What the format pointer stands for? Format pointer stands means that it is if the cell have a particular format style. If you want to copy the style into another cell with this, like the different data, to apply the same format as you copied before, you can use the format pointer. Example here, you see, I have A and B, but I have here T-shilling 2000, but here it is just a number, 67,000, just a number. So if this also in the let's say the currency, like here, I wanted to copy the format into here, the same format as the background colors and also the format of currency I wanted to copy here, just click the cell and then click format painter. After that, click your final position. You see, it is click plus brush. Then after click this, the format will apply into the final position. You see, this is the use of the clipboard. I hopefully you understand it. I make this short video so as not to confuse you about these uses. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and turn notification bell and on. Our next video will deal about the font, so don't miss it. Okay, thank you.